Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all my student. Okay, so today we will learn a new subject, a new chapter of your life, of your diploma life, that is geography in tourism. Okay, so you keep asking to me, okay, why we learn geography in tourism? Okay, what is the difference between the geography that you learn in SPM, okay, and geography that you will learn in diploma, that is geography in tourism? Okay, so throughout this chapter, throughout this subject, okay, you will learn one by one what is the difference between the geography that you learn in SPM and geography that you learn in diploma. Okay, so I will not tell what is the difference between this geography and the past geography that you have learned, but you have to know that this geography is not the same. You, as a tourism student, you are playing with a space. You are playing with a location. You are playing with something that physical. Okay, for example, mountainous area. You are playing with the lake. You are related to all the attraction that are physical. That's why you have to learn the geography and also tourism at the same time. Okay, so first and foremost, we will learn the chapter 1, that is geography and tourism. Okay, so we will learn the learning outcome first. Okay, this is a very short class today. Okay, so first and foremost, we will learn about geography. So what is geography about? Okay, is geography something that new to you, or is geography is something that are very magical? Okay, we will learn what is geography. Second is we learn about tourism. Okay, although you are a student, okay, tourism student that is nearly final year student, okay, but still you have to know what is tourism, because manusia always lupa. Okay, we have to keep reminding each other, keep reminding each other, so that you have know what is tourism. Okay, third, number tiga is tourism geography. Okay, so we will combine what is tourism, what is geography, and it will come out with tourism geography. Okay, number 4, tourism and regional geography. Sir, apa tu sir, tourism and regional geography? Wait, after this we will learn what is tourism and regional geography, and last but not least is tourism geographer. Is it exist actually, tourism geographer? So after this, we will discuss what is tourism geographer. So if you see all the learning outcome today is all about two things. That is tourism and also geography. Okay, you can see first is geography, tourism, tourism, geography, tourism, geography, tourism, geography. Okay, so it's very easy if you keep paying attention to me. It will be very easy class. Okay, because I think this tourism geography is not really hard. You don't have to remind, okay, Sarawak kat mana, location, Pahang kat mana, Perlis kat mana. No. Okay, this is a very simple tourism geography. Okay, so first and foremost, we will learn about geography. Okay, so what actually geography? Okay, you have to know, because orang cakap tak kenal maka tak cinta. Okay, so you have to know what is geography first. After that, maybe you are falling in love with geography. Okay, geography actually the study of the earth. Not only the earth, all the thing in the earth is known as geography. Okay, it's actually a Greek word. Okay, geo mean earth, graphy mean to write or write. Okay, so if you combine geography, it's about a knowledge about the earth, the study about the earth. Okay, all the thing about the earth, whether it's human, whether it's animal, whether it's location, whether it's ocean, is all related to geography. Okay, it consists of physical and human aspect of the world. Okay, because without human in the earth, we cannot call it human. We call it sun. We call it matahari. Matahari do not have human. Okay, so if earth do not have the physical thing, we call it not earth. We call it maybe Mercury. Maybe we can call it Pluto. Okay, earth is something that consists of two things, that is physical and also human, and the earth is the only planet, okay, right now scientifically proven that earth the only place where human can live. Can you live in the sun? Maybe you can try. You can live in, people say that we can live in Mare. Okay, it's not yet proven that we can live in Mars. Okay, but maybe in the future, who knows? Okay, it shows the relationship between people and environment. How people react with environment. Okay, maybe right now in the modern world, you cannot prove that there are significant relationship between human and environment, but you see right now in Cebu, okay, when human clog the river, there are banjir. Okay, so the banjir is something that knowledge about geography. Okay, you have to know all that kind of things. Okay, in Selangor right now, people, the relationship between human and environment. Okay, human polluting the environment, that is polluting the river. Because of in Selangor, people are polluting the river. All the Selangor do not have water. Why? Because they have to clean the river first. Okay, so actually, what is the scientific or very accurate definition of geography? So this is the only two definition that are scientific for geography. So if I ask in exam, okay, if I ask in exam, what is the definition of geography? Okay, what is the definition of geography? Okay, so the only answer that I will accept is these two answers. Okay, geography is the study of place. Okay, about a place. So what is the place that we stay right now? Earth. And the relationship between people and the environment. Just like I said before, the relationship between people and the environment is known as geography. They explore both physical property of Earth's surface and human society spread across it. Okay, so after this, okay, I will not discuss it right now. What is physical property of the Earth's surface? Okay, something like bergunung ganang, okay, mountainous area, berbukit, hill area. How about the wetland? That is all the physical properties of the Earth's surface. And how people adapt. Mun orang tinggal dekat gunung, macam ni yang tinggal kat gunung. Mun orang tinggal dekat tepi sungai, macam ni yang tinggal kat tepi sungai. Okay, all that kind of thing is known as geography. Okay, that is based on National Geographic 2020. National Geographic say that. Okay, so this is Wikipedia. But actually, I do not really love the source from Wikipedia. Okay, the study of physical feature of the Earth and its atmospheres and a human activity as it affect and affected by this. Okay, it's actually just like I said before, human have relation with environment. Environment also have relation with human. So it affect each other. Okay, memberi kesan kepada saling memberi kesan. Okay, affect and affected. That is mean saling memberi kesan. Okay, including the distribution of population and resource and political and economic activity. So all of this is a very good definition of geography. But if you want to understand it more, you pay attention with me until the end of this semester. You will be pro in tourism in geography. Okay. So second is subdivision of geography. Geography actually not only related about mountainous area, not really related with where is location of Malaysia, where is Sarawak, where is Bintulu, where is Betong. No, that is not. That is only a part or a division of geography. Okay, it's actually just that I said before, it include or consists of relationship between human, we human, and also environment. That's why you have the two subdivision of geography. One, two, one, two. Remember, if someone asks, oh, geography ada berapa gate division no? Or geography have berapa gate type no? So you answer two. Human geography and also physical geography. Physical geography is very easy. Something that very easy is about the study or knowledge of Earth physical system. Mountain is geography. Lake, hill. Okay, so all the thing about physical, whether is how gunung terbentuk, how gua terbentuk, bagaimana sungai mengalir, bagaimana hujan terbentuk, something like that, that is physical geography. How about human geography? Okay, human geography is about the pattern of human action of the earth. Okay, just like I said before, if someone who live near the river, how they act. Okay, what is their main food sources? Okay, if people stay in the mountainous area, why they are living in a very big house or very warm house? Okay, because it's very cold up the mountain. Okay, something like that. That is human geography. It's about where and why human activity are located at where they are. Okay, it's about how people react. Okay, you can see bagaimana, okay, people in kampung live a very peaceful life, not busy. How about people in urban area? How about people in the city? Very busy. Why? Okay, that is the answer that you have to ask. That is the question that you have to ask, and the answer will be the answer for the geography, human geography. Okay, so what is the example of physical geography and what is the example of human geography? Okay, so if I ask in the exam or if I ask in the tutorial, please list out 3 example of physical geography and 3 example of human geography. Okay, so physical geography is very easy. All the natural thing, okay, the keyword is all the natural thing that human cannot do and only natural thing can do is physical geography. For example, rock. Can human make rock? No. Okay. Landform. Okay, landform, bentuk tanah. Okay, bergunung ganang, something like that. Okay, soil, animal, plant, water, atmosphere, environment, climate, ocean, all the things that are natural, that are not man-made, is known as physical geography. All these things is physical geography. How about human geography, sir? Okay, so human geography is something about human, that related to human. For example, population. Okay, why population in India? There are so many people in India. Why population in Switzerland are very small? Okay, why people die more in India? Okay, why people less die in Malaysia? Maybe because of the technology of medical. Okay, settlement, penempatan. Okay, just like I said before, why people stay in the river, near the river. Okay, why people stay in the hill area, why people stay in the kampung, why people stay in the bandar, something like that. Okay, economic activity, transportation, recreational activity, religion, social tradition, and human migration, all about human geography. Okay, so very easy, right? Okay, so one by one we will explore it from the chapter 2 until chapter 10. I think this is 10. Okay, so second we will learn what is tourism. Okay, because you are tourism student, so what is tourism? Okay, so if I face-to-face class, I will ask you what is the definition of tourism, but because this is online class, so I will give you the answer. Okay, this is the only, it's not the only definition that I like, but this is the definition that I have been hafal and that I have been memorized since I was in degree. Okay, so the only you have to pegang with this definition. This definition will never be wrong. Okay, tourism can be defined as the activity of a person traveling to or staying in a place. Okay, so if you are not a tourist, you are not travel first. Second, if you are not tourist, you are not staying. Okay, if you go to one place, okay, contohnya Alina pergi ke Bau untuk menziarahi keluarga beliau. Okay, adakah itu dikira sebagai tourism? Okay, so we will ask whether Alina travel. Second in, whether Elena stay at the family house. If they stay, okay, so you have to see what is the second things, okay, outside the usual environment. Okay, is that bau place is your usual environment? If it is your usual environment, so you are not a tourist. You are not dikira sebagai tourism. You are not dikira sebagai what is tourism in English? Malaysia. Pelancongan, okay? So for not more than one consecutive year, for leisure, businesses, and other purposes. If you are exceeding 1 year, okay, that is not melancong. They are staying at the place. Okay, bermastautin terus, tinggal terus dekat tempat tu. Okay, so you have to know what is the definition of tourism. Okay, so I can memorize it. The activity of a person travel to or staying in a place outside the usual environment, not more than one consecutive year for leisure, businesses, and other purposes. Okay, you have to memorize it. Okay, so that is for tourism. So how about tourism geography? Okay, so tourism geography. Okay, so what is tourism geography? Just like I said before, a normal geography, you cannot compare it to the tourism geography. It's totally different. Okay, so tourism geography is a study of a travel and tourism that act as industry, social and cultural activity. So if we see in the previous slide, okay, we say that geography is something that about relation between human and environment. So how about tourism geography? Tourism geography, yes, it also related to human and also environment, but we are considering it as an industry because we talk about tourism. Tourism is an industry, okay, that include social and cultural activity. So the only one who can build social and cultural activity is human. Okay, have you ever see animal menari zapin? No, right? If you ever see gorilla menari zapin or menari tarian Cina or menari tarian India, no, right? So you have to know that it is industry that related to human. Tourism geography, okay, is cover a wide range of interests, okay, including environmental aspect of tourism, sociology of tourism, and location of tourism. Just like I also emphasize, geography will not berpisah daripada these two things, environment and human. Okay, so it include environmental aspect of tourism. Okay, the sociology of tourism. Sociology is about the social and cultural things about tourism and also the location of the tourism itself. Okay, tourism geography also a branch of science which deal with the study of travel and its impact on destination. Okay, so everything have their own impact. Every action have reaction. Okay, so when people are going travel to a place, there must be an impact. So we will learn this kind of impact in tourism geography. Okay, so how about tourism and regional geography? Okay, so we will learn what is the region in the world also, okay? Because this is also about geography. Geography, just like I said before, is about Earth. So you have to know the location in the Earth, okay? It's not really you have to memorize, but you have to know, okay? So regional geography is a branch of geography that study about world region. Okay, so so how many regions in the world? Okay, so I will explain one by one after this. There are 8 benua. Regional is geography benua. Okay, geography berbenua, something like that. Okay, so regional geography is there are 8 benua in the world. The most famous is because we are including Malaysia is in the benua Asia. Okay, so we will learn about this. Okay, a region is self-defined as a part of Earth's surface. Okay, it's actually benua is one of the part of the Earth's surface with similar characteristics that make it unique from the other area. Maybe just like you can say before, Africa is very different with Asia. Europe is very different with Asia. Okay, America and Caribbean is also different from Asia. Okay, regional geography study a specific unique characteristic of place. Okay, so this regional geography, we not only learn about the place. Okay, we also learn about how people what is the culture in the place, what is the economic on the place, how the climate about the place, how about the political in the place, and how about the environmental impact or factor of the place. For example, in Asia, okay, what is the characteristic of economy in Asia? What is what is the culture that in Asia? Every culture must have their own sources. Okay, so where we get the sources? Okay, maybe just like you said before, Malay culture is mainly derived from India, China, or Arab. Okay, so how that kind of thing happen is all about geography knowledge. Okay, so I will talk about the region. Okay, in this moment. Okay, first region is Africa. Okay, second, Africa is the place where there are desert and dry land. Okay, tempat yang paling banyak desert is padang pasir, and also paling kering di dunia is Africa. Okay, so the country that are in Africa is, for example, is Nigeria. Okay, Kenya is in Africa, the Wakanda thing. Okay, but Wakanda is not in Africa. Okay, so the second region is our region, that is Asia. Malaysia is one of the Asia, and you have to know that, okay, Asia is the biggest region. Okay, Asia is the biggest. Okay, the biggest region. Okay, second is Europe. Okay, Europe is termasuk dalam Germany is Europe, France is Europe. Okay, Italy also Europe. Okay, fourth region is Oceania. Okay, so what is the uniqueness of Oceania is if Afrika, Asia, and Europe is satu benua, okay, yang digabungkan dengan tanah. Maksudnya, it's the bentuk dalam satu tanah yang besar. Okay, how about Oceania? Oceania is the bentuk disebabkan lautan, ocean. Okay, for example, is Australia is one big island, something like that. Fiji, New Zealand. Okay, so fifth region is Caribbean. Okay, so you know this because of the pirate of the Caribbean. Okay, it's actually surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. That's why it's called Caribbean. Okay, so for example, you know what is Maldives? Okay, Maldives is one of the it's not biggest, it's one of the luxurious resort, okay, in the world. Maldives, Barbados. Barbados is where Rihanna come from. Rihanna, that girl Riri, okay? Rihanna that, what is the song of Rihanna? They are famous. There are so many songs that Rihanna is very famous, okay? Jamaica, okay? All this thing is from Caribbean. Okay, so Central America is, there are three America. There is Central America, North America, and South America. Central America is known as Panama, Costa Rica. Okay, that is Central America. North America is USA, United States of America. Okay, Mexico, something like that, is at the North America, and last but not least is South America, that is Brazil and Argentina. Okay, that is South America. Okay, so this is the last subtopic. Okay, in this slide, that is tourism geographer. Okay, the one who study about tourism geography is known as tourism geographer. Okay, so if you want to be a tourism geographer, belajarlah tourism geography. Okay, so what is or who is tourism geographer? So you can read in the slide. Okay, tourism geographer are geographer who provide us with a flexibility to study an incredible diversity of topic from a variety of perspective. Okay, they are the one, they are considered as a researcher. Okay, so they are the one who study about the geography. At the same time, they are study about the tourism. That is known as tourism geographer. Okay, so what are the things that they study? Are only about tourism? They are only about geography? They are only about mountainous area? They're only about tourism? Okay, they actually learn something about cultural geography, economic geographer, environmental geographer, and all the thing about tourism and geographer, and also about human. Okay, it's known as tourism geographer. Okay, so if you want to be tourism geographer after this, yes, you may. Okay, so I think that's all from me. Okay, so thank you so much for your attention for my first class. Okay, so I hope that all the thing that I teach today is beneficial for